Well, at the moment I have another very exciting project for Sunshine Coast Regional Council and the top corner in Umundi. And my job is to build 17.5 metres of forest fence to go around this new footpath they've put in outside a wonderful little restaurant called Food at Umundi. In Chinese horoscope, I'm a dragon, I'm a water dragon. So in a certain kind of a way, I'm putting a signature on it. I'm putting a water dragon. We live in right here on Kin Creek, and the water monitors walk around here. Little water dragons run around on the textured walls in my workshop. So I have a very strong affinity with these creatures. So I thought it would be really beautiful to try and demonstrate for you the techniques of working with pipe to create the main part of the body of the lizard, and then how I work as a creative blacksmith, putting pieces together in ways that they become synergistic, that they just flow together as a single harmonious piece. And hence, there is now a water dragon at the entrance to Food at Umundi. So people going into the restaurant will be able to swing on the tail of the dragon going through. And my feeling is this is going to be good luck for people. It's sort of touching that primal spirit, stirring up the energy of what it is to be alive and what it is to be the genesis of what is yet to come. We've got to weld an end on the pipe, because otherwise the furnace heat will run through the pipe and it'll get hot all the way to the end. So if I weld a plug on the end, the gas can't go through. And it means that only the hot part stays hot and the cold part stays cold, so I can hold it. That's the neck.
Right.
That's the body. That's the beginning of the tail. That's the end of the tail. Probably making the lizard, I was very aware of the state that a lizard goes into where he's at one with the universe, basking in the sun. And so I've written a poem called Lizard Dreaming. Lizard dreaming, one with the sun, swims upstream, searching for truth, flowing from source, remembering all in the flow of nature, creating. Really excited about sanding it all up and getting it smooth and beautiful and putting it in place and feeling the energetic shift once it goes in. And I'm very excited to hear what happens in the restaurant, because I know the food is great and the people are beautiful. And I so look forward to seeing the smiles on their faces as the people come and enjoy the atmosphere that we've created and want to get into this beautiful little alcove with all this wonderful atmosphere of this forest theme around them. I think it's going to be a special place.